Hi everyone and welcome to our brand new WSO. My name is Dave Gwindon and in this short video I'm going to reveal my secret but very powerful 3-in-1 Amazon research tools that I personally developed. And not only that, and more importantly, I also want to explain how to make money with these tools. The tools I created are called amaSuite, and it's your complete Amazon research toolkit. It's basically 3 separate computer software programs that will identify the profitable products that you can promote as an Amazon affiliate. So what I've done for this WSO is I've actually teamed up with Chris Guthrie, which is an Amazon affiliate expert. This guy has basically cracked the code and figured out exactly how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars as an affiliate for Amazon. Check out this real income proof that Chris has earned as an Amazon affiliate. As you can see here, over $94,000 in commissions from promoting Amazon products. But as you're going to learn in this video, there's actually other ways to make money using our software and our techniques. But first, let me just quickly explain just how simple this method is. And I'm sure you've probably seen this a lot of times, but we've got some different kind of ideas, and you're just going to see how powerful the software is to actually make this work. So what Chris does is he basically makes these really simple WordPress sites, uses some basic SEO tricks, and he does earn easy Amazon commissions. Now hold on, I'm gonna reveal another thing that just absolutely blew me away that Chris told me when I first met him. But just hang on for a second. Let me show you one of these WordPress sites that he's built. And here's a sample of one of these WordPress sites he's built that basically promotes some products from Amazon. So you can see here it's fairly simple to set up. And you've got some buy now buttons here. When you click on here and order this product or go to Amazon, Chris will actually earn commissions for that particular product. And he goes into all the basics and all the ideas behind how to really do this to make money, to actually get it to work. I know a lot of people have tried doing stuff like this that is very similar, but are basically unsuccessful. Well, Chris's methods are very successful, and he's made a lot of money doing it. And here's the one thing that Chris told me when I first met him. He showed me one of these websites. It's not exactly this one here. In fact, I can't really show it on the video here because he's tied to a contract to a private seller. Now, listen to this for a second. He made one of these sites, very similar to the one you're looking at right now, and he turned around and he sold it to a private client for 6 figures. Somewhere in the 6 figures. He couldn't tell me any more than that because, like I said, he's tied to a private contract with that client, so we cannot reveal how much he actually sold it for. But who cares? We're talking 6 figures here, like over $100,000 for one of these sites. All he did is he had it running for around a year, I think, or something like that, possibly less. Had some income proof. He actually made some good money from that site. He found a buyer, and they bought it for tons of money. Now just think of that for a second. You can whip out some of these sites and sell them for like 10 grand. There's many websites online where you can actually sell your website. For example, flippa.com. So there's tons of things you can do here. You can not only make money from the actual commissions you earn from traffic going to your website, but you can also turn around and sell the entire site for tons of money. So there's a lot of different opportunities here for making money. And I'm even going to show you another one using the software. So hang on and check this out. Now here's the Azon keyword generator, which is just one of the 3 software programs you're going to get with the amaSuite toolkit. Let me just show you how powerful this is. Let's say you need to find some new keyword ideas. It only makes sense to actually use the Amazon search engine to find these keywords. Because if you think about it, everyone's using the Google keyword tool. So you need something different. You need to find new keyword opportunities, and this software will do it for you, and it's lightning fast. Check it out. Let's say you want to look at something to do with 3D TVs. Stick 3D TV in there and then just click the button and you'll see real quickly it's already extracted 153 keywords within a few seconds. That's how fast it is. And you've got keyword volume here. So you can get more keywords and even more keywords. If you put it on a high volume, you can get upwards of like 50,000 keywords. I've seen it happen. It's absolutely incredible. Now, where do these keywords come from? If you go to Amazon.com, you'll see that they have a search engine here. Let's type in 3D TV. And you'll notice these search suggestions just down below. Well, that's where those keywords are coming from. So if you come here and you append the letter A to your main keyword, you get a set of keywords. Now if you append the letter B, you'll get another a set of keywords. Letter C, and if you go through the entire alphabet, well, guess what? That's what the keyword generator is doing. Of course, there's other sophisticated algorithms behind the scenes for the medium volume of keywords as well as the high volume. But the idea is you can use all these keywords here to find new opportunities. For example, are people actually searching for these keywords? And now you can take these keywords and try them in the Google keyword tool. And we've made it real easy. All you gotta do is click copy, click this button right here, and boom, you're right over to AdWords right away to start checking out if these keywords get any volume of searches. And all you do is you right click and you paste. Let's go ahead and click search. Now we can see how many searches that these keywords get. Now it only accepted 100 keywords here to be used, but if you have an AdWords account, you can look at more. And what you'd want to do is you can always add a little filter here. And you just want to see the local monthly searches of more than 1,000. Let's do that, refine our search, and let's just use broad exact match. And now we can see all of the keywords that are getting over 1,000 searches a month. And then we can choose from those for example, your domain name. Now one of our partners, our affiliate partners, actually came up with a real useful idea. They actually copied these keywords, and to copy these keywords you just go download, select all, or just copy them here. And then you go over to GoDaddy.com. So you go to GoDaddy.com, and then what you want to do is you go to the domains, and then you go to the bulk search, and you come in here and you paste all of those keywords. Now I'm just going to paste the original keywords. You want to be pasting the keywords you get from Google, but when you go like that, let's see if it works here. Oh, we got to select the .com or other ones you'd like to use. And what it does, it shows you all the available domains that you could get that have searches higher than 1,000. Of course, you'd want to be using these keywords here that have over 1,000 monthly searches. But that's just a simple way of using only one of the software tools. Let me show you the next one. Now this tool is probably one of my favorites out of the three. This thing is awesome. The biggest thing I like about this right off the bat is the fact that you don't have to enter anything into the software. No search term, no keyword, nothing like that. All you do is point and click, and it gives you the information you're looking for. Let me show you what I mean. What you do is you select an Amazon data source. See, this software is called the Amazon Top 100 Analyzer. So what it does, it will return the top 100 from these following sections within Amazon. There's the best sellers, top rated, hot new releases, movers and shakers, most gifted, and most wished for. So let's say we want to look at the best sellers, and we can go ahead and select one of the categories. For example, the baby category. Click Analyze, and now it's going to go to Amazon and extract the top 100 in that particular best sellers category. For this, the best sellers data source for this particular category. And of course, you can go even a little deeper. You can go and say like car seats. Let's do that one. So I can just go ahead and clear this out. Let's try car seats. And you can see just how fast this software can run. And from what I know, there's actually no other software on the internet that can provide this kind of information. And what you see in here is invaluable, because now you can apply some real important little tricks that you can use to make those WordPress sites. Now here are some of the rules. For example, I only want to see the products that have more than, let's say, 200 reviews. Now you'll notice I just click the column up there, and you see these what I call one-click filters. So you click here, and then you go ahead and you can select all of the reviews over 200. And now I only want to see the products that have a higher than 4 rating. And now I got 13 products that I can choose from. And now you can sort by commission, and you can take the one that gets the most commission. Double click, let's go take a look at that product. This Frontier combination booster car seat. $225, but guess what? You still save 25%. This would be a good product to focus in on a WordPress blog. It is that powerful and that easy to identify top selling products using the Amazon Top 100 Analyzer. And here's another powerful feature of this software. Let's say you don't really know which category you want to select from. Well, that's not a problem. Let's go over here and let's say we're looking at all the hot new releases. All you gotta do is select this checkbox for search all categories. First, I'll go ahead and clear everything out here. And then all we have to do is simply click Analyze, and it'll go through all of those categories, which are basically the main categories. And you can see here is extracting from 165 pages. So we're going to get a lot of different products to select from. And again, we can use those same techniques, the reviews, the ratings. We could also, one-click filter by commission, the percentage of saving. The cool thing is, when you have a product that has a lot of savings, it's easier to promote that on the internet. Well, you think about it. If you got a product like this one here, 57% off, it's easy to promote something like that. This digital kitchen scale, you get 57% off, buy it here. You have that on a blog, that sells a lot easier than other products that don't offer a discount that high. So the software is extremely useful. Let me just go ahead and abort this. And there's a few other things here. You can select what you want, right click, and you got a few other options here. You can select all the item titles like that, and right click again and go straight over to Google and paste those item titles right into the keyword generator here. And you can check out to see if any of these titles are actually getting any searches from the internet. As you can see here, there's actually a few that are getting searches, like this one right here, the Thermo 16-ounce leak-proof travel tumbler. It's getting 36 searches a month. Not much, but the idea here is we just quickly found a potential product that we could market on the internet. Now, I mentioned earlier that there is actually another way you can make money with this software. Now, if you haven't guessed it yet, here's what you can do. After you generate a list and then go ahead and filter your list out so you got the top products, here's what you can do. You can go ahead and save this list as a comma delimited file. For example, if we go ahead and do that, we can save this list. Let's go ahead and save it in this temporary directory here, and let's just call it, I don't know, Amazon products. Save that there. You can also save it as a text file if you'd like. Let's go ahead and just save it untitled like that. And let's go take a look at that folder. And here's what you can do. You can sell this list, sell this file as a product. There are people out there that would love to buy this information if they don't have access to the software. That's another way to make money with the software. You can generate these hot product lists and sell the list. Now, you could probably even sell the list right here on the Warrior Forum. And you've got a lot of different sources to select from. You can create a whole set of lists for a whole bunch of different categories and subcategories. Basically, you can make a lot of money just selling lists and not even making money as an Amazon affiliate. So as you can see, we've provided many different ways for you to make money using our software. Now, there's a few more cool features in here, but you know what? Let's move on to the next software program. And the next software program is a little bit different. It looks very similar and actually kind of operates the same way, except with this one, you actually have the ability to enter your own keyword. So let's say we're looking for 3D TV, and then we want to search the electronics category. And we can even specify a price range as well as an average rating. I only want to see stuff that has a rating higher than 3. Even a discount. I want to see stuff that has 25% more or off. And go ahead and click the inspect button and it'll go out and get everything. And this is very powerful too for actually just finding products that you want to buy yourself. I've found stuff in here that has like 95% off. I think some HDMI cables or something like that are like 99% off. It's ridiculous. I found some stuff for like $1. It's a pretty powerful tool if you're actually just looking for your own stuff that you want to buy on Amazon. But of course, as an affiliate, this software is awesome. Let's go ahead and abort that. And you can see it all has the same features that the Amazon Top 100 has, but with this one, you have the ability to basically search what you want to look for. So this searches the entire Amazon site. And you may find some golden nuggets in there that may not be in the top 100 of all those different sections on Amazon. So that's why I built both of these tools. And again, we can go ahead and search with the one-click filters, look at things more than 4. You want to see commission of greater than 10. We got 34 products here. We can sort by savings. This one's 25% off. We get $63 in commissions. Now the commission column is based on the lowest possible commissions you can get when you first start off in Amazon. And if you know a little bit about Amazon, the way it works is the more stuff you sell, the more items you sell during the month, your actual percentage of commissions goes up. So this is the lowest possible. If you're selling, a lot of, I think like 30 items at least, you'll go up to like 6 or 7%. So you'll get a few more percent than that. This could potentially be $80 instead of 30 bucks, or sorry, $60. Just click that, and then probably bring up a TV, a Panasonic TV. So this could be something that you could offer on the internet in a WordPress blog, and you could easily save your data as a project file, a comma delimited file, or even a text file. And you can also find stuff. Click find, and you can find different things you want, like TV, and it will go through and find them for you, the entries. You can highlight them if you'd like. A lot of real cool stuff you can do in here. The software is very powerful, very clean, and it's very simple to use. We didn't make it very complex because you really want to just find and pinpoint those products that you can promote as an affiliate and make good money online. Now the next thing I want to show you is I want to take you inside of the amaSuite members area. This is what you're going to get when you order the amaSuite through this WSO today. And as you can see, I'm just logged into the members area here, and we spent a lot of time working on this members area, making it very user-friendly and absolutely beautiful to navigate in. And let's just take a quick look. You can see here, you click here and you get access to all of the 3 software programs. So you click in there, you can download it. There's a help video that you can watch down below. It's very simple. You just got to click one of these buttons and it brings up a video that will show you how to use the software. You also have access to some Amazon training that's recorded by none other than Chris Guthrie, the Amazon affiliate expert. He basically recorded a brand new crash course for all you guys to learn how to make money with his methods. And the cool thing is, he shows you how to do it using this software. So you've got 5 different modules that you can go through and watch. We had the video. You could also watch the video. You could download the video, or you could actually watch it separately in a separate window while you're working and watching the video at the same time. These are very powerful videos, easy to follow, and there's 5 full modules here that you can get started right away for making money using the Amazon affiliate system. Now, we didn't stop there. We've also included some bonus videos for how to do pretty much anything you can dream of with WordPress. We're talking 160 videos here. All types of stuff that you want to learn about in 7 different modules to learn how to use WordPress. And so you can watch the videos online, download them. We even have transcripts for these. A transcript is basically just a written document of what's being said in the video. And again, we didn't stop there. We actually have more bonuses that you can get. We, of course, have the WordPress training course. We have an Amazon companion study guide and some call to action graphical buttons that you can use to really entice your buyers, your audience, your visitors on your blog to click through. And what we will be doing too is we're putting some bonuses by other joint venture partners and affiliates that want to offer you something free. Right now we have this one here. And we'll be putting this in here over time. So keep coming back to the bonuses section. We're putting some really cool stuff in there. We've also provided some resources, some stuff that you might need, like hosting and things like that. So we have our top recommended resources in here and some of our own products that you may be interested in. And of course, we got our support. We've got our quick facts section here. And you can send us a question anytime you want. It is that easy to navigate around in the amaSuite software. You see, I hate blind offers. I don't like it when people talk about their product, but they don't actually show you what it looks like in the back end. So I really wanted to show you just how much time and effort we put into this members area. It's absolutely amazing. It's very beautiful, and the beta testers are loving it. So let's do a quick recap here. So here's what you get. You get the Azon Keyword Generator software, the Azon Top 100 Analyzer software, as well as the Azon Product Inspector software. And plus, you also get the Amazon Affiliate Training Course by Chris Guthrie, remember, the Amazon Affiliate Expert, as well as the Amazon Companion Study Guide, also from Chris Guthrie, and those call to action buttons. We've also tossed in the 160 WordPress training videos. I think there's like 159, but it's close to 160. And of course, there's more cool stuff in there as I showed you. But here's the thing. We're only running this WSO on the Warrior Forum for 14 days only. And after March 7th, 2012, we are removing this offer from the Warrior Forum, and we're doing that forever. It'll never come back again. So with that said, you must hurry, because here's what we're doing. We're offering this as a dime sale. So what does that mean? That means that every time someone buys, the price goes up every time. So technically, right now is the lowest possible price you're ever going to get this software at. So we highly recommend jumping in right now. And one last thing I got to say that I totally forgot about, and I know a lot of people are going to ask me, the software is for PC only. It's PC software. So if you have a Macintosh, unfortunately you can't install it on there unless you have an emulator. Now I have an iMac, and you know what? I have my software running on my iMac, the amaSuite software. But to do that, you have to have an emulator. I use virtualbox.org. It's free. You download it, put it on your Mac, and then you install Windows on your Mac. Of course, you got to have a copy of Windows, but usually people do have a copy of Windows. So once you install Windows on your Mac, then you can install any Windows software. And from my experience, Windows actually runs better on my Mac than it does on my PC. So anyhow, if you got a Mac, you still can put the amaSuite software on your Mac. It's just you have to get an emulator. So I just want to add that in there. So again, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you're just as excited as I am to grab this software. And again, hurry up, because right now the price is probably going up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the other side. WSOs, I've actually teamed up with Chris Guthrie, which is an Amazon affiliate expert. This guy has basically cracked the code and figured out exactly how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars as an affiliate for Amazon. Check out this real income proof that Chris has earned as an Amazon affiliate. As you can see here, over $94,000 in commissions from promoting Amazon products. But as you're going to learn in this video, there's actually other ways to make money using our software and our techniques. But first, let me just quickly explain. Show me one of these websites. It's not exactly this one here. In fact, I can't really show it on the video here because he's tied to a contract to a private seller. Now, listen to this for a second. He made one of these sites very similar to the one you're looking at right now, and he turned around and he sold it to a private client for 6 figures. Somewhere in the 6 figures. He couldn't tell me any more than that because, like I said, he's tied to a private contract with that client, so we cannot reveal how much he actually sold it for. But who cares? We're talking 6 figures here, like over 100,000 some products from Amazon. So you can see here, it's fairly simple to set up, and you've got some buy now buttons here. When you click on here and order this product or go to Amazon, Chris will actually earn commissions for that particular product. And he goes into all the basics and all the ideas behind how to really do this to make money, to actually get it to work. I know a lot of people have tried doing stuff like this that is very similar, but are basically unsuccessful. Well, Chris's methods are very successful, and he's made a lot of money doing it. And here's the one thing that Chris told me when I first met him. He showed. Hi everyone, and welcome to our brand new WSO. My name is Dave Gwindon, and in this short video, I'm going to reveal my secret but very powerful 3-in-1 Amazon research tools that I personally developed. And not only that, and more importantly, I also want to explain how to make money with these tools. The tools I created are called amaSuite, and it's your complete Amazon research toolkit. It's basically 3 separate computer software programs that will identify the profitable products that you can promote as an Amazon affiliate. So what I've done for this, just how simple this method is, and I'm sure you've probably seen this a lot of times, but we've got some different kind of ideas, and you're just going to see how powerful the software is to actually make this work. So what Chris does is he basically makes these really simple WordPress sites, uses some basic SEO tricks, and he does earn easy Amazon commissions. Now hold on. I'm gonna reveal another thing that just absolutely blew me away that Chris told me when I first met him. But just hang on for a second. Let me show you one of these WordPress sites that he's built. And here's a sample of one of these WordPress sites he's built that basically promotes